guys, welcome back to my channel. It was my birthday recently and I received this as a gift which I just wanted to open with you all. The gift wrapping was not included in the subscription box, it was done separately.
तुमको भी लग रहा है एक्साइटमेंट?
हाँ, क्या है? अरे बाप रे, पैकिंग फिर पैकिंग, डबल पैकिंग, ट्रिपल पैकिंग। उफ, अरे यार, कैसे? नहीं है, क्या है? Wow. OMG. So here I have my cute little box. The sugar box is adorable and I love the way this box looks like from inside. I'll show you everything. It's perfect for a surprise gifting option to anyone and I'll tell you why. Quickly, I'll just show you what all things are there inside the box. But before starting this video, first let me tell you what Sugar Box is all about. I have given their website link in the description box, so you may just check it out too. Here I'll just be giving you an idea that what exactly it is. So basically Sugar Box is an exciting monthly subscription box for women wherein you get a surprise of 7 to 8 products that are worth rupees 4,000 and over. But you don't have to pay that 4,000 rupees, you have to pay very less. And this is how the packaging of this box looks like. सबसे अच्छी बात इस बॉक्स की ये है कि आपको पहले से बिल्कुल पता नहीं होता कि सरप्राइज बॉक्स के अंदर आपको क्या क्या मिलने वाला है. ऑर्डर करते टाइम भी आपको पता नहीं होगा इसमें क्या आएगा. But the products that they send are across different mixed categories that includes lifestyle, fashion, food and beauty. And most of the time you will definitely love all the products that they send to you. First thing that I've received in this Sugar Box is a bamboo fiber ka cup or a glass of 400 ml. It is made up of 65% bamboo fiber, 15% corn powder and 20% melamine. This is very much eco-friendly and biodegradable. It looks really very good and it is something new for me also. Amazon पे ऐसा एक बैम्बू का ग्लास आपको 300 से 450 के रेंज में मिल जाएंगी, बट इस बॉक्स में अगर आप लेते हैं so it's really very price worthy as well. And these glasses are suitable for cold or even hot liquids. So आइए इसको ओपन करके आपको दिखाते हैं. Wow. And it is wow. It is very light in weight. I also love the color, this turquoise blue color. This is really very pretty. They are unbreakable and really I am loving this glass. ये इसके अंदर में भी कुछ दिया है, इसको आपको लगाना पड़ेगा when you are drinking something very hot in this glass. तो ये ग्लास आपकी गर्म नहीं होगी if you put this in your glass. Quality is well, it is sturdy as well and I am glad that I got this in my box. इसके साथ ये इसका lid भी दिया हुआ है. This is made up of really soft silicone but it looks very strong and it is heat resistant and I also suppose कि this is spill proof. I am pretty impressed by this product. It is definitely valuable and unique. Next thing that I got inside this box is a chocolate. It's basically a truffle chocolate and truffles are my favorite. Wow. Almost in every Sugar Box you will get one chocolate to make the box more sweet and thus the name is also Sugar Box. Then the next thing that I received is this really cute notepad with a pen. I just love this product. This is extremely cute. They are so pretty and I actually can't just wait to use this product. So let me just quickly open it up and मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. I can use it to plan my daily to-dos. This is so tiny, so cute and I really just wanted this one for my desk. इस तरफ साइड में यहाँ पर एक स्केल की तरह बना हुआ है. So it looks really very good and in total it's really a very sweet and a very good product. Now आइए देखते हैं what's the next item in this box. I am super excited to open this. So let's pick this one. It's a sunglass, a goggles. It looks so smart and trendy. And what I like about Sugar Box is that they send you all the latest fashion stuffs that are trending these days. And this one is really cute. जैसे दबंग स्टाइल या फिर कबीर सिंह में भी उस टाइप्स का ये लग रहा है मुझे goggles. And I wasn't having this kind of goggles, so it's black and golden color का combination है. It is comfortable to wear, comfortable on your nose. Size is neither too big nor too small. So love how smart it looks with this golden frame. The quality is amazing, looks really strong. It's a bit heavy in weight as compared to other glasses, but this is what separates it from the rest.
ये तो शायद मैं भी पहन सकता हूँ।
हाँ,
और देखो
amazing.
Next is this beautiful blue silky thread earring, which I think is again super cute and really very beautiful. The best part is that this earring again is very much perfect in size, neither too big, neither too small, and perfect for and ideal for any occasion. Plus, because it's blue in color, so it can even be paired with all the denims as well. Then the next thing that I have with me is this headphone. Oh my god, just look at it. I think this is the best product for me in this box. मुझे कितने टाइम से ऐसा एक वाइट या फिर किसी लाइट पिंक शेड में एक हेडफोन लेने का मन था. लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू अ प्लेस आई हैड सीन अ सिमिलर हेडफोन इन मिनीसो का शॉप एंड दैट वाज समथिंग अराउंड 800 रुपीज़ फॉर अ सिमिलर हेडफोन. उस टाइम पे मैंने प्राइस देख के उसे ख़रीदा नहीं था, बट इट वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन माई टॉप विश लिस्ट. And today I am so happy and so glad to receive it inside this surprise box. They are super cute and I just love them. Also, these headphones are of really good quality as I even checked them. Here there is a volume controller and you can plug it in any of your devices. So this headphone is very stylish and very trendy. The quality is really very good. It is light in weight and highly comfortable because it can be freely rotated. As you can see, it can be adjusted for greatest comfort. So they are very soft. Seriously, it's extremely soft and spongy while even comfortable to your ears. So yeah, once again I just love them. Now the last and the final thing that I have in this box is this pretty smart looking clutch of beige color. And wow, ये भी कितना pretty लग रहा है. This is again very trendy. Let me just take it out. I like the pattern in it. It is different. It's again very stylish printed design. You can easily mix and match it with any of your outfits. किसी भी ड्रेस पे ये आपका चला जाएगा. The size is also really perfect, suitable to carry in your handbags or even independently. It is quite spacious and big. So when you open it up, you can see it has a lot of space inside it. I am going to use it to carry all my cards, mobile phones, money inside this, and you can just simply keep it in your handbag. And you can probably keep so many things inside this. सारे compartments बने हुए हैं, zippers भी है and magnetic button भी है to lock this entire wallet. So seriously, this wallet has adequate space to store all your belongings and essentials for any trip or any outing. And yeah, I love this product one too. So I really liked all the things that were there inside the box and I'm glad that I received them. I hope you guys love them too. This one sugar box, it cost me around 14.99 rupees. However, there are even options to take a quarterly or annual subscriptions or even monthly boxes you can just take, जिसमें आपको हर मंथ ये बॉक्स आती रहेगी. एंड देन इन दैट केस आपको अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हैं तो आपको इफेक्टिवली प्राइस थोड़ा कम पड़ जाएगा. सो यू हैव डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस टू चूज फ्रॉम. You can just check their website for more details. Let me know what you girls think about this subscription box. They are really worth your money and it's one of the best gifting option. This was not at all a sponsored video, but I really love this sugar box which I received as a gift from my husband on my birthday this October. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be again a very super exciting one. We just went to explore a new destination here in Himachal and it was my birthday, and my upcoming video will be all about that. So all you girls who wish to order this sugar box, check my description box below for the link. I really hope that this video was helpful for all of you and you all really enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite product in this, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.